Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're showing you our 64 Ford Ranchero. These are cool little rigs. Show you something here. They're on the Falcon wagon platform. So what they did is they took a wagon and they cut this off, put the window in it. Ford did this, it's from the factory. And then this is where the footwell was, and they just replaced a sheet of metal with that. So pretty cool engineering. So these and then of course they put a quarter on it, but that's how they're on the wagon, same wheelbase as a wagon. So it's a nice kind of cool old car. Got a V8, power steering, power brakes, still got 14-inch wheels on it, which you don't see many of them. You'll find a scratch here and there. An older restoration. You got some paint left in here, and you got a little chunk come up there, so easily could paint that top rough part and take care of all that. Bucket seats, automatic, just kind of a neat little car. Runs and drives great. Must have been from the south. I don't see any big rust issues anywhere. This big old chunk of paint come off right here, so that's the worst spot. Otherwise, a few lighter scratches. Right there, a little scuff. They had tailgate down. And as you can tell, I show everything. I don't walk 15 feet from the car or the video. I'm right up front. So you can be confident that what you see is what you're going to get. There's a touch up right there, too. So just a driver quality Ranchero, but nice and affordable. Just a cool little cruiser that not everybody's going to have, so you'll definitely get some attention in. We're going to start up our Ford Ranchero. Runs like a watch. 289. Power steering, power brakes. Runs really, really good. Now, let's see. Well, fan even blows some dust out of there, so fan works. No horn. Wipers work. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. That's about all you have for options. Maybe this old Ford radio works. I would doubt it. No, they do have one in here, but that might, whether that works or not. Looks like they don't have it hooked up right now. There's a wiring diagram. You need to work on it. We did. We used that because we had to put a new starter solenoid on it. Had a weird deal going on with it. And it does have the Petronix flamethrower coil, and so they eliminated the point. So that's kind of a nice deal. There's the power steering, power brakes. Just a neat little car. This is be a fun little cruiser. And your tail lights work. Dual exhausts. So we're out driving our 64 Ranchero. Our speed going around 60. Speedometer bounces a little bit. Fuel gauge 3/4 of the tank. Temperature just starting to come up. Nice driving little car. You get a little wind noise, but we got a little bit of a north wind today too. So. But that's mainly coming through the wing window area, I suppose, or up through the door post. But nice cruising car. You can just basically steer with a couple of fingers, no pull or anything. The steering wheel's pretty straight. So a nice cruiser, and you won't be, when you go to a show and shine or Cars and Coffee, whatever, probably won't be a lot of other Rancheros there. So it's kind of a unique vehicle, and this one has kind of a custom paint with flames on it and stuff. So kind of a neat retro build on it. So mechanically it runs really nice, drives good, and the paint looks good, so interior's in good shape. So just something you can just go do cruise with it, or maybe you want to take it to the next level and restore it to, fix some of the little blemishes in the paint or whatever, but nice car, nice driving car, and really a cool look. 605-695-7391.